In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create movement prompts for Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to guide your clips with natural, believable motion using clear, simple instructions. First, open Magnific AI. This brings you to the home screen where you'll start shaping your video. Next, look to the bottom of the screen and tap AI Suite. This is the hub that gathers all the creative tools in one place, so you can move straight into video generation without hunting through menus. Now tap Generate Video. This opens the video workspace and, most importantly, the area where you'll write your movement prompt. Think of this prompt as a short, direct direction for what should move and how it should move. A helpful way to structure it is to combine three parts in one sentence: subject movement, facial movement, and camera movement. Subject movement tells the body or scene what to do. Facial movement adds expression and realism, and camera movement describes how the viewer's perspective should shift. Keep verbs in the present tense, start with the character or object, and use gentle adverbs to control intensity. For example, instead of stacking lots of actions, aim for one main action with a small modifier so the AI doesn't get conflicting instructions. Type something like, "She smiles, blinks naturally, and gently moves." This keeps the emotion soft, the eyes lively, and the body motion subtle. If you want the camera to participate, you can extend the same sentence to include a simple camera cue, staying concise and consistent with the rest of your phrasing. Short, calm language generally produces smoother, more believable motion. If you prefer a guided approach, tap Create from Templates, choose Motion Control, and pick a template that matches your scene. Templates give you a solid starting point for timing and style. You can still refine the wording to better fit your subject while keeping the structure that works well. That's it. Open Magnific AI, go to AI Suite, select Generate Video, then craft a clean subject plus face plus camera prompt, or choose a motion control template for a quick start. Keep it clear, keep it concise, and let the movement do the storytelling.